Hello everyone, my name is Prabhat Nagpal and my topic is efficient extraction of human motion volumes by tracking. The authors of this article are Juan Carlos Naples from Princeton University and Universidad del Norte and Byung Han, Electrical and Computer Engineering from UNICT Korea and Lai Fei, Computer Science Department from Stanford University. So the problem statement. The problem that the authors are trying to solve is tracking human motions and poses from videos of unknown settings, which is critical in real-world applications that require accurate and efficient motion estimation. And there are some challenges faced when extracting human motions from a video, such as unknown number of objects, illumination changes, or a variety of body motions. And in order to solve this problem, the authors propose two classes of approaches in human motion estimation. They are the top-down model and the bottom-up model. We will talk more about these models in the next slide. So the authors came up with a system to extract human motion volume from challenging videos by combining the top-down and the bottom-up models. So the way the method works is we first apply the top-down model to a video sequence, and then we apply the bottom-up model, and then finally we optimize the extraction using the global optimization procedures. So this picture gives a better idea of how this algorithm actually works. So we have this video sequence to which we apply an upright human detection to generate potential human regions, and for each identified human we perform a top-down extraction for a small subset of frames, and then we apply the bottom-up model to complete the extraction, and then finally we apply the global optimization procedures to optimize the extraction to produce better quality results. So in this section, we describe three main components of the algorithm in detail: the top-down estimation of human body region, the bottom-up propagation of the human volume, the temporally coherent global optimization. We've already talked about the top-down and the bottom-up, but we will talk even more in detail about those. So let's start with top-down estimation of human body region. So from the top-down perspective, the algorithm applies shape priors probabilistically to candidate image regions obtained by the pedestrian detection. So let's say we have a subset, set B, of the upright human body templates in the database obtained from a sample dataset. And at the jth pedestrian detection window selected for the top-down processing, we generate a set of multiple segmentations, and each of those segmentations are driven by a different template in the database. Each segmentation H corresponds to an estimate of the human region, and thus we derive the equation to obtain probabilistic template Pj. So the top-down model is applied only to a small number of frames because it is computationally more expensive than the bottom-up processing. The top-down processing also provides accurate estimates of the human body areas, which serve as constraints for bottom-up processing. So in this image, there are sample templates in the pedestrian database, and these are the resulting segmentations after we applied the top-down model. So the bottom-up propagation of the human volume. So after obtaining a sparse set of contours with the top-down process, we propagate the contours efficiently to other frames, and we propagate the level set functions in both directions, forward and backward, and then we apply a fixed small number of level set iterations, and the propagation terminates when the level set functions in all the frames are initialized. And finally, the last step is the temporally coherent global optimization. So to produce better results, we optimize using global optimization that integrates temporal information more tightly. And this figure shows a level set function propagated in both directions, backward and forward. And as a result, it yields a temporally coherent and accurate boundary. So, for the related work, the authors talk about body tracking, which is a method to track humans by considering them as blobs and using generic object tracking methods. They also talk about the pedestrian detection and pose estimation. This method deals only with the upright persons, and detection accuracy is significantly reduced by even moderate pose variations. So for the experiments, the authors used a dataset of 50 sequences containing moving humans in a video that they downloaded from YouTube. So they computed precision and recall and compared with three different algorithms. They used their own model, and then they used their model without the global optimization, and then they used a third method that is described in this article. So these are the results of the algorithms. So as the results show that the author's model is not only more accurate in moving human extraction, but is also much more efficient. So these images show the results of the author's algorithms. The colored number in yellow, they indicate the frame number, and the outline of humans are drawn in color curves. So this graph shows the segmentation accuracy and the number of iterations. So as you can see, the accuracy is increasing as the number of iterations increase. So the future work could be to make detection and tracking and pose estimation module interact more closely to create positive feedback and improve the quality of estimation, and also to build a large data set with detailed labeling for human motion. So the authors propose a technique to efficiently extract moving humans from challenging sequences, where the top-down modeling provides the shape prior to the bottom-up processing, and the global optimization refines the contour of human bodies. And as the results show that this method outperforms any other method that is currently available, and although the system achieves promising results, some improvements can still be made. So that's all about it, and thank you very much.